different tune. No man no one dance to the same tune. So selector, watch it. Who you want to go next? Who do you say? Hold on. Let's mix it up. His Excellency, sir. I'm not asking you to dance, you know. I just asking you, see those two brothers up there? Who you want to go first of the two left? Usain. Madam Excellency, who do you say? What? Well, let's get to the deep breaker now. Mr. Prime Minister, who you say, sir?
You know what? Usain.
Oh! 10, 9, 3, 2, 1, Usain! You know I won that! You know I won that! You know I won that! Somebody said pool. Okay, hold on. Somebody has to go. Asafa them say you're faster. You want a different tune? Select a different tune. 5, 4, 3, 2. See how the band ready to do it, bands. Let it go. Alright, same thing. No. Hey, I know you're not prepared for this. Find something else. Because if Bull under the gully creeper, I'm not going to compare. When Safa do it. So, different tune. Somebody said different tune. Alright. So, let's see what he's got. And we're giving him a few. They're not prepared for it necessarily. This is just what you call production magic. Alright, so when you're ready, sir. Hey! Yes.